my name is Nancy and I'm the owner of Jolie Blanc Creations, and I'm a Club Couture independent designer and mentor. So Club Couture is a DIY home decor company. We specialize in reusable adhesive back silkscreen transfers, chalk paste that goes on wet and dries hard but is removable with water on most surfaces, and chalk ink that is permanent when heat set for fabric. So today we are going to be using the Keep Life Simple transfer, okay? And we're going to be putting it on this little metal frame that I found at a craft store. It's got the little rope tie here. So first, what we want to do, this transfer is a cuttable transfer. So we want to take our transfer trimmers and cut it. So I'm going to cut all of the words apart so I can better use it on my board. Even though this is a video and not a live, you are more than welcome to ask questions during the tutorial, as I will get the notification and can answer you in a comment. And remember, guys, to share this video. All right. So we've got this all cut up. So now what I'm going to do is, because our transfers are reusable, I like to write on the backs so I know what part of the transfer goes on which backing. So give me a second to do that. All right. So we are going to be using, Keep, and I think I'm going to use Life instead of It. Keep Life Simple instead of Keep It Simple. All right. So, because our transfers are super sticky, and we don't want, if we stick them to our board and they're too sticky, when we peel it up, we could ruin our silk screen. Everything that you see that's white here is a really, really fine mesh of silk screen. So we want to fuzz. Fuzzing takes some of that stickiness away. So this is our fuzzing cloth. It is two-sided. The terry cloth side is used to fuzz, and the other side is microfiber, and that is used to dry. So I'm just going to peel my transfer from my backer sheet, and we're going to give it a fuzz. And you want to do this probably 3 or 4 times just to make sure it's good and fuzzed. All right. One more maybe. Okay, so let's move this out of the way. Let's grab our board. And so I want to line this up probably about, maybe about there. So then I'm going to have Life over here, and then we're going to put Simple down there. Okay, good. Good job. So I want to spread it out and make sure that I don't have any air bubbles in my silk screen. Okay? Now I'm just going to be using bright white paste on the words. So when you open your paste, you want to take your stir stick and give it a stir, because you want your paste to be the consistency of cake batter. So I'm going to give it a stir. If for some reason if your paste is a little too thick, which that's a little too thick, I'm going to add some distilled water from our Fine Mist sprayer. Be sure not to use tap water, because tap water can cause your paste to mold. so we're going to stir that in there. And now our paste is a better, more cake batter consistency. So I'm going to take my paste and just spread it along on my transfer. Then I'm going to take my squeegee and spread that paste and make sure all of the silkscreen areas are covered. Now once your area is all covered, you can scrape off your excess paste and just put that right back into your jar. Alrighty. And so now we're going to peel this up and reveal what it looks like. So when you peel, it is best to peel straight up. There we go. So I'm just going to put that on the side. And here's what we have so far. All right. So I'm going to take my hair dryer, excuse the sound, just to help this dry. It does dry pretty quickly though. Okay, so now we're going to do the word life. So we're going to peel it off of our backer sheet and make sure we fuzz it. If I can get it off of here. There we go. All right, so we're going to make sure to fuzz it really well. Okay, so let's line this up where we want it. And I think that looks good. So we're going to make sure we don't have any air bubbles in the silk screen. And I'm going to take my white on my squeegee and just spread it over. Make sure all of that silk screen is covered. And then again, I'm going to go back and scrape off my excess. And I can put that right back into my jar. So let's peel it up. Perfect. So here's what we have so far. I really like this. Okay, so now we're going to do the word simple. And the same thing, we're going to peel it off our backer sheet and fuzz it. All right, so let's go ahead and line that up. I'm just trying to make it centered. That looks good. All right, make sure there's no air bubbles. Feels okay. And again, we're going to put that paste down with our stir stick. Take our squeegee. Make sure all the silk screen is covered. And then again, scrape off our excess. All right, let's peel this up. Look how cute this is. Keep life simple. All right, I like this. We're gonna dress it up a little with these little leaves. So let me clean off my squeegee and stir stick so I can get this white paste closed up, since we are done with that. Move that out of the way. And I'm going to take my hairdryer and dry this, because I don't want the stickiness of these transfers to pull up our paste that we've already done. Alrighty. So for the leaves, we're going to be using our eucalyptus paste. So we're going to do the same thing. Go ahead and give this one a stir. We want to make sure it's the consistency of cake batter. And I think it looks pretty good. Okay. So let's see. I think I'm gonna do maybe just one on each side, like this. Maybe just going straight up. I don't know. Let's fuzz this one and we will figure it out. So off of the backer sheet and giving it a fuzz. Now I do want to make sure it's really fuzzed because I don't want it to peel up my paste. Okay, hopefully that is good. So let's see what we're gonna do. Just gonna try to get it to where it wasn't really going over any of the lettering. However, I don't think there's a way to do it that way. So it is gonna overlap on some of the lettering, but I think it'll be okay. All right, so let's put down some of this eucalyptus, which I think is such a pretty green color. Look at that. So let's take our squeegee and just cover that leaf. Make sure all that silk screen is covered. And then we're going to scrape off our excess and put that back into our jar. Alrighty, let's peel that up. That looks really good. Okay, so let's do the other side. Let's grab this. let's give this a fuzz. I like that. It does overlap some of my letters, but it's okay. It looks really good like this. This is actually one of our brand new transfers from our Spring Summer 2020 catalog. If you would like a copy of our brand new catalog, you can go to my Facebook page, and there is a Google form that you can fill out with your name and address so I can send you a catalog. And you can see all of our brand new stuff. Okay. I apologize about all the background noise from outside. All right, so let's get this paste down. And we're gonna squeegee that. All right, and let's peel that up. Let's go this way. This looks really good, guys. All right, so here's our finished project. I like it. Very simple. Keep life simple. And you've got a cute little project that you can hang anywhere. Just gonna clean up our squeegee and our stir stick. All right, guys. Thank y'all so much for watching my video tonight. I encourage you to please share. If you share, please let me know that you have, because then your name will go into our monthly drawing for the month of March. Anyone who shares any of my videos for the month of March, your name is going to go in a box. I'm going to write it down, and it goes in a box. And at the end of the month, we will be doing a giveaway. Now, the giveaway will be held in my customer group, so you do have to be a member of my customer group. All right, so remember to like and follow my page on Facebook and subscribe to my channel on YouTube. So all of the links are going to be in the description of this video. So all right, guys, that's all I have for you today. Again, our finished project, Keep Life Simple. I think it's adorable. I hope you do too. All right, guys, thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a great day. Bye.